Kokromoti Power, yes. Ayo head. Election headquarters, ayo multimedia, election headquarters, ayo multimedia. A feed here, you say 100 days, before election, you pound to ma. A feed here, 2024 general election, Radinya Mebehu. Until maybe beer was news to beer was out. It's a pioneer craft of multimedia, young fine and coming only antenna a fee 2024 general election, young fine coming general election, young fine coming and I the election headquarters, yes, multimedia, no, be pound to my yard mochina, Yami add mochina no pa, chassis, now be BFI election, no, say MPP manifesto, NDC manifesto, party being being our person manifesto, say gum, and wine, and our person cheddar, wine, chia election headquarters, multimedia, yeni, Kokromoti Power, pam. Ya science BBBA I sorted into Oshia and Oshia and BBBA coso in Tempasio and Brave do some day I go Kensim and some members like I see and come bed power, yes, boys gusu this car, girls gusu this car in no so benyebi on code no onyebia no tra nobody skakasi and a good bottom no na BBBA I fire mamudin and then Yame Bernard Padboche, yen shasi en few be man so nimbe pay more mind can yen shan sama ebe koso ye shasi edifi enra La Liga matches ni be told you na matches ni mu ye den enra Atletico Bilbao na matches no most set chances na Naki Williams head the ball na pimba ye Naki Williams ka depth and call two atinana so no ko yiwe 1-0 Atletico Bilbao ebo Valencia ka ba kwa wentimi AC Madabraka Sasuna Real Valladolid any Leganes 0-0 Sasuna Atletico Madrid esoni Espanyol 0-0 Sasuna Real Sociedad etra ama Alava ebone kamino otimu back yes eno ene copy mu e Carabao Cup here mfidie no ene die adwuma ntie mu fancha mfidie ne ene die adwuma nti Carabao Cup eno West Ham United ebuche Dortmund ebone ka ba kwa wenti mensi Madaraka na eno ene copy mu ntie nhwe ene so fixtures e be pim na nhwe se na beto ene fixtures ne mu ye den ene fixtures ne mu ye den last round of matches mo qualify isi yim this year yim intini ye hwe omo ma beka kukudam ne ho na ye de matches no Abram ne ye hwe senate Liverpool draw now to Liverpool be share West Ham United hey match in wedding so Manchester City and Watford at the play so Arsenal and Bolton and Wanderers at the play so Manchester United and Barnsley hey match in wedding o match e mo be den ye papa why come be any Aston Villa at the play so Arsenal Converted City any Tottenham Hotspur at the Bepim so hey Samachi Warsaw any Leicester City hey Samachi so go so Brentford United any Leyton Orient at the Bepim so Samsona Blackpool any Sheffield Wednesday at the Bepim so Samsona Brighton North End any Fulham at the Bepim so Everton any Southampton at the Bepim so Queen's Park Rangers any Crystal Palace and Everton so much is in no bet power so ultra obedi into the so much is in at the bema we matches ya draw no see ya fit qualifying him what you say nti ya draw no nti akukudam no we mu na isi obia betimi age cap obia ebetimi age cap no nti eno ene kopiem ewo yenda ene fantre eno matches e piem La Liga no sanam di kan no enhwe matches asa na call Atletico Bilbao yes dominance so ebo Valencia ka ba kwa wenti Messi Madaraka e ka desanam di kan na Naki Williams ebe shego na so no football ni de sa na call yenti ne enko yinim ne enhwe nsama ebe koso no na yenda ene fantre fie ne enhwe efie so nsama koso yenda ene fantre Minister of Youth and Sports aso e ode atudwa se be yanka GFA no ye ka se peri omufanye ejuma ye papa peri omufanye ejuma se be ya Ghana football so ebefane tuma pa efra.
The future of Ghanaian football depends not only on facilities and resources. We must also put on the transparency, fairness, professionalism with which the game is managed, and we must work together. And here I mean the Ghana Football Association, you, the club owners, the clubs, the players, the fans. We must all work together to ensure that our league is improved, and also it truly reflects the values of sportsmanship and fair play. Let us renew our collective commitment to the development of football in Ghana. Together, we can build a vibrant, inclusive, and a very successful football culture that will make Ghana a force to to reckon with. The future of Ghanaian football depends not only on facilities and resources. We must also put on the transparency, fairness, professionalism with which the game is managed, and we must work together. And here, I mean the Ghana Football Association, you, the club owners, the clubs, the players, the fans. We must all work together to ensure that our league is improved, and also it truly reflects the values of sportsmanship and fair play. Let us renew our collective commitment to the development of football in Ghana. Together, we can build a vibrant, inclusive, and a very successful football culture that will make Ghana a force to reckon with.
Yes, I know. And Ghana Football Association President Ketia Sokrekunano. Ebenada Tuesday, Tremuya, and on the 30th Ordinary Congress, Nation more Pram Ganama, Soccer of Excellence. Now, Bet Power, AstroTurf, no Omodane, Edema, GFA, now we and say, and Ketia Sokreku, Edituja.
Start with for the Congress ahead of us. And we see this magnificent initiative, which is a plus, of course, we've heard from the big man himself, to football. I mean, from your general impression, how do you see this also collaboration and the contribution it will have on our football?
Well, I'll start by saying thank you to Bet Power. When we had the announcement months ago, I'm very sure that there were a lot of people who didn't really think that it would see the light of the day. But we kept faith, we kept working closely with Bet Power. We've always seen them as a good and strategic partner. And lo and behold, we are here today to commission the pitch. We've had the old pitch for close to 15 years. And obviously, with the growth in the number of our national teams, it was very clear that we needed more investment in this place. And for Bet Power to invest huge sums of money in the construction of this pitch will only but help our football association and our strategy in developing talents. Currently, we have 20 national teams, and therefore, you would agree with me that this has come at the right moment for us in our strategic developmental plan. So I'm extremely happy, I'm super excited. Today we are going to test the pitch, and beyond this it will be available for use by all our national teams, boys and girls.
And copy mo ewo na enche and Star Times ede omodwumadi eba we patches omo entimi entwa the Ghana Premier League ni biem na no nam so ema ye hu ewo man kan am say see the GMBT4 and akwaje right no na no and am so ema executive council member the Ghana Football Association I'm running Abedi Atuja say same way no krabia enim
with our matches, and there's always a comparison with the past and all that. What are the things that we should be doing or we can do to win back the 12 man who's staying away from our game? And we've been able to identify many of the issues. And yesterday in the breakout session with the different constituent bodies, we also had a lot of suggestions. And so that is basically our focus for the next 12 months, all the things that we must do. And then you would realize that the issue of betting is also a big issue. It was a partnership that was signed for 1 year, and there was the expression to renew from all parties, and we've gone far. I can say that we've almost concluded with the negotiations, and I'm sure that in the next few days both parties will announce the details. Yes, so we're renewing for another year. They are yet to honor, so the contract is ended. There are outstanding issues from the previous one we've been engaging. And so there are things that we need to sort out, plus our quest to move forward. So these are things that we are still discussing, and we're hoping that we will be able to sort them out as soon as possible. We have about 2 or 3 scenarios that we're looking at. I am not aware of anything with GBC. The only thing I'm aware of is GBC writing to the GFA requesting for rights to run radio commentary. That is the only thing I'm aware about GBC. Anything else I read on the internet.
ɛno ɛne kopie mu na yɛda so agina Ghana Football Association and chair and GFA president Eddie Tudja say buses ba area ma division 1 clubs and afi so Mba football clubs so na ɛno exam so ama CEO Edema Zakes ladies Madam Evelyn Isian Asare Eddie Tudja say bodi abaye pa na anka be yi anase anka GFA president ebe ebo no homodin yi pa anka sabazisi ba before ansa na Mba no league ne be hyase a anka be ye de pa
ba ko a na eda ma football no yakoma so ne senka obi abenya ne bus wonya wo bus a na wo de bus no utofu akakra bi guma na efe kura san so provide fuel coupon a eboa teams nti bus ne de hwe ya afi etwa mu ye congress okumase na president kan ye say first and second every zone we say 2 zones and now 2 sectors, northern sector and southern sector obi abenya. Fortunately hazake say so winning we zone till now you need that say benya nti me me de ye me prayer point cry say nyamenka na koma na say they were promise no bus no fambra but enne na me hwe anim senke bae na bus ne sisi but o say bus na ba nti eye mani age wo makoma so bebre yenya bus na ebeboa de to so mienu ma bobo no eye mfitiase yetete o mu free mfitiase but I say obi ani hwe ho obi ani hwe ma no o mu division 1 division 2 division 3 de be ho an so aba premier ugina ha kra me ka say bo division 1 ba ko e wo greater akra wa wa e che say attention nko ho nti say the president asa aka anasa congress e de atodwa say nyame ya adoma this year the oben win division 1 league no so no ombe man 10,000 Ghana cedis say ye nka say be fire how ni nyina but be fa bebre pa e de ama yesan say wo win a ukọ prepare ukọ ka woni ma bom na waba nti eno so be o say o de ye prayer point na abem amanu nti no eno ene copy mo ho na ni woni e de check Colombia obi man so eno ho na the women's under 20 women's world cup pim so na nye fedi agro Ghana ejinem enra ena mba no e copy mo e wo hotel a FIFA e de amom na na enye fedi agro mba no diasa no mo stress na ye group ne mu ye den ye ne Austria ena de be ball Japan e wo ho so na New Zealand ena de be pim so na fi coach Yusuf Bazigede to just say fi de on tra group stages no matimi akode to the next stage of the competition do say mumba ye den mo o meni so ade hu so matimi atra group stages na ye hwe se na emma no kodu hotel ho no eniji no se na net ye no ene copy mo ewo ho no ewo Colombia ntino Ghana for mo bonfire na mo this boy mo den e dey the Black Princesses of Ghana emba you are one dim bro in fiedo no yes omo na copy na first match e Sunday ye ni Austria ene de pim so first match Sunday yani Austria and the Pims into Sremo mo bompire na mabobi amom na intempan so na any fanche club issues na hwese na ekọ aso folk for Togo Lome ho and on the preseason phase 2 na Pims so na ran on the friendly match ba ko Pims so na nya fedi agro kra omo ne Sema CFC and the boy enhance ebom kamiensa emomutimo ba ko enhance ebom kamiensa emomutimo ba ko na nya fedi agro kra kuma say Asante Kotoko afem so no omo so gusu Cape Coast at the phase 2 of the preseason to do na nya fedi agro Kumase Asante Kotoko for air patches and Nyame Adom Kwesi ada Omoni Vision FC at the Ayonkonkonsi ba ko de pim so na enra na Kumase Asante Kotoko assign new player from Nigeria Fernando Wisdom Fernando Wisdom Basse and Kumase Asante Kotoko for akwa no yes Kotoko no akwa sign ba ko asa be boom Krobia Metemba Kumase Asante Kotoko eno ene copy mo hontinu Kumase Asante Kotoko ni aso folk the preseason o muguso ije na say league ne be hyase na me adma bosumi e be rem e da to so nsia e kopem ne nkron so no ene be hwese na league na day one e be ye say clubs no mahombo no ekosipi anase NCP no league ne hyase a de be to duabia no yemfa enkame montina no ene copy ye guso e kan mo say ha aye election headquarters multimedia ye no ye ene ye election headquarters Nyame admo china 100 days ye launch 100 days ye launch to the election and bibi bia for election hono ahaya na wo nya no menko bibia dan wani ediche multimedia Adom TV say Adom TV Asempa FM Adom FM Inshira FM online portals ni nyina efa YouTube for fa Facebook for fa intino bibi bia wo bia no join in na launch 100 days to the election yes 2024 general election e mo be dem NDC for the manifesto aba and people for so edi omo manifesto aba na ye be brese honi ahwe se omo manifesto no omo nyina no ehumasua wom health wom sports wom bibi agriculture bibia wom nti se ye be launch 100 days die
menko bebia bibi beto fom no ye de bebrem na ye ne akuku dam so ene betwetwe nkomo ade afa ho unu se multimedia de odin hane de asem ye de nyama bebre agu akwan mu ama nti afide no election no ya ne the election headquarters multimedia nti no memfa enko bebia na join here na bibi se fata se wote general election no ye de ebro nti na ha ene brama me ho kwan na me de awukensem na si na happy birthday sonko enkoma Mr. Nathaniel Dazi yes ene eya wodanya me enshira pa we efi wo yere adepa or multimedia adepa multimedia or say happy birthday enkoma one nemba ena feso busua ni nyina ase nyame engusu enshira no ma nkwane ahoden asika bebere ewom na gusu hwe busua na bibibia enkoso nti Nathaniel Dazi happy birthday enkoma birth power yes and omo de hat shotef no amagf nti bibia ekoso na sra kese enkoma Sergio Manucho I'm a proud producer na no pe Sergio Manucho I'm a fantastic producer ono ne bomb mechidom se me fago kensi mensem embrem no nti na ha na am di musimidin etinyame ba Bernard Padbotwe sister Fia the health tips to so we pe Fancy doll, so any Esther Smith, I want come to and that same kuchu Esther Smith in common more the year papa men ko bebia, my feeding no eguso and